Hello, I'm Jaden here at Crosby Volkswagen, and today we are going to discuss as-is vehicles. We take pride in offering an array of quality pre-owned vehicles to meet the diverse needs and budgets of our customers. I want to discuss the term as-is in relation to previously owned vehicles and provide you with clarity on what to expect when considering the purchase of an as-is vehicle. In simple terms, when a car is sold as-is, it means the vehicle is sold in its current condition at the time of purchase. This includes all the great features and functionality that make it unique, but it also includes any potential faults or issues. It should be noted that it may not be possible to register the vehicle to be driven in its current condition. You may be required to have work completed on the vehicle before it can be safety certified by a licensed technician. For context, the governing body for the automotive industry in Ontario, OMVIC, requires vehicles advertised as-is include this phrasing. This vehicle is being sold as is, unfit, and is not represented as being in roadworthy condition, mechanically sound, or maintained at a guaranteed level of quality. The vehicle may not be fit for us as a means of transportation and may require substantial repairs at the purchaser's expense. It may not be possible to register the vehicle to be driven in its current condition. It is important to note that our as-is vehicles have not been inspected by our certified licensed mechanics, and we cannot provide information on any potential issues they may have. We recommend that the buyer have an independent inspection by a trusted mechanic to make an informed decision. We support this through as our as-is 3-day 300-kilometer return policy. This policy states that barring an accident or physical damage to the vehicle, the buyer may return the vehicle within 3 days or 300 kilometers, whichever comes first, to our dealership. Some conditions apply. Speak with our brand specialist for details. We here at Crosby Volkswagen, we want you to feel confident and satisfied with your purchase, so we're transparent about the condition of our as-is vehicles. But remember, once you drive it off the lot, any repairs or maintenance it needs becomes your responsibility. As-is vehicles can be a fantastic value, especially if you're handy with cars or have a good mechanic. They give you the opportunity to own a high-quality vehicle like one of our Volkswagens at a significantly reduced price. So if you're interested in exploring our selection of as-is vehicles, or if you have more questions about what buying an as-is car entails, feel free to reach out to us. Our knowledgeable team members will be more than happy to assist you and guide you through the process. At Crosby Volkswagen, we are dedicated to helping you make informed decisions so that you can drive away in the vehicle that suits you best. For any further inquiries, please visit our website at www.crosbyvw.com.
Crosby Volkswagen.